Hello and welcome to day 10 of our IT tips. Today we're going to look at alignment. I'm going to work in PowerPoint, but this is the same in nearly all software. We're going to start with this slide which has 3 shapes. First of all, let's have a look at what happens when we highlight a shape. So you have to have your shape highlighted to get the shape format menu. I'm going to click on that. And then if I click on the drop down arrow next to Align, I have all these options. So I can align left. If it's the only object that's selected, it will align it to the far left of the slide. I can align center, and I can align right. Similarly, I can align top, I can align middle, and I can align bottom. But what happens if I've got all 3 objects selected? So I'm going to select one, and then I'm going to hold down the Control or the Command key and select another and another. So this time I'm going to align left, and you'll see that they all align to the object that was furthest left at the time. I'm going to use Control Z to undo that, and this time I'm going to align right. You can see the same thing has happened. It's aligned it with the shape that is furthest to the right. And this time I'll align center. So now I'm going to show you another tool. If you've got several shapes highlighted, you might want to distribute them so that the gap between them is equal. So if you can distribute horizontally or vertically. These shapes are in a vertical position, so I'm going to distribute vertically. And you can see that now this gap and this gap are the same. Do the same with some pictures. You can do this with any objects. So instead of shape format, I now have picture format. I can align left, and I can align bottom. I could align this one to the bottom. I could align this one to the right and then the bottom. And then I could select all of the shapes by holding down the Control key and distribute them horizontally. So that's a really good way of aligning objects so that they're in exactly the right position. Hope that was useful, and I'll see you tomorrow.